So guys, welcome back to the channel, touching down from Chiang Mai city in Northern Thailand, and today we are going to look at a house that I've been wanting to look at for a long time. I went to see it before, but when I got there they said it's already been taken, so I'm hoping this time the lady is sticking to her word and saying it's available and we can have a look around. 20 minutes outside of the city in the rice fields, and you're right next to the main road as well. It's a beautiful area. It is burning season. We got the dogs here. We're not going to talk about the burning season on this vlog because we've done videos and we're probably going to do another one. So yes, a beautiful setting down in Hang Dong. I'm going to show you the area after we look at the house. So the house is about 10 minutes down this way. So we're going to get down there now and have a look. Look at this new house here. So I watched this one getting built. It's finished now. Yeah, lovely place, isn't it? Beautiful. I'm sure it's a Farang owner or a married. It don't look like it's totally finished, but I've watched that place getting built. Lovely, mate. Right, we have arrived. So I've been here before, so I knew exactly where I was going. The lady said, don't you want a location? I said, no, I know where it is. So this is it. I don't know which one it is yet. The lady's just messaged and said she's gonna be 10 minutes late. So these are the small houses. You got 4 blocks in a nice quiet area, and you got, you know, there's 2 on each side, look. A, B, C and D, and I've seen the photos and I always like the look of them, man. And I'll tell you the price after. The price ain't too bad, and you get it's a proper apartment, a proper small tiny house, whatever you want to call it. It's like a bedroom, a kitchen, a dining area, and you've got your outside space. So I'm hoping it's the one down the end here, because I came down here last time. And you've got your own parking down the end. Very quiet, and again, you're not too far from Hang Dong main road. I'm going to show you after. That's not one of them because there's people in them. So it's going to be one of these in the middle, I reckon. So across here, you've just got old like shanty houses. And the road we came in on, this one here, it goes right back around the rice fields. So behind here it's all basically rice fields and farms. Or you've got the Big C Supercenter just 2 minutes there, which I'm going to show you in a minute. And that's the main Hang Dong road that goes back to the city. So you've sort of got the best of both worlds here. The main road right there, and you're in the rice fields. Thing is, when you're looking at places as well, especially, I don't know about anywhere else in Thailand, but up north, you normally get a message saying, oh, I'm going to be 10 minutes late or 15 minutes late. One room available. Which one? A, B, C or D?
B.
D?
B.
B. Right, so this one here, the second one in. So all the other ones are full, right? Full?
Yes.
Okay. This one? Okay, so this is it. B1. And it looks like somebody might still be in there. Hopefully we can have a look. So you've got a house next door as well. Don't look too noisy though, do it? And you can drive right around it. You got your water tank. Or is it B2? She don't know, I don't think. I think it's this one, right? Yes, B2, I would have thought in it. D1.
Yes.
I like down this end better. Right, so it is the end one. This is the one right down the end. So we're going to have a look. Thank you. So you've got an outside kitchen here, sort of. Your sink. And yeah, this is it. It's smaller than what it looked like on the pictures, but this would be the living room. And yeah, bedroom. Have the Wi-Fi already in here. So yeah, the room's quite big, right? Room is quite big. Got your Wi-Fi all set up. Aircon. This room been empty for how long? Not too long. Somebody just moved out.
Just move out. Yes.
Right. Okay.
Just move out last week.
Okay. And the fridge included fridge and Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi no.
But easy to connect.
Yes.
Easy to connect again. And this is your. I don't think there's no electric at the minute. Okay, thank you. So the fridge is included. This is it's a nice clean bathroom though, isn't it? And divider. Yeah, it looks good. And the toilet. Divider. It seems really quiet here. So this is, yeah, your living space here. Yeah, include fridge.
No Wi-Fi.
No Wi-Fi, but look easy to connect.
Yes.
And aircon just in one room.
Yes.
Okay, no aircon in the in this room. And this is 5,000, right?
Yes.
5,000 a month, guys. Electric, water.
Electric 7 baht per
7 baht a unit.
and water 20 baht per unit.
20 baht a unit water, 7 baht unit electric. And deposit one month.
2 months.
Okay. And contract
Contract 1 year.
1 year. Okay. Just have a little look here a minute. Hey, it's quiet. Got your wardrobe lit. Easy to connect the router, it's already here. 5,000 a month. And the bed. Just test a minute. Yeah, it's quite soft. It's got like the waterproof coating on it as well. It does look quiet out here. Very quiet. I like the floor too. Floor very, very nice, the floor. It's a bit smaller than what it looked like, but yeah, 5,000 a month. Okay, miss. Thank you. And this would be, so yeah, your kitchen, you would have out here like this, look. Like a lot of places have. This is where you'd prepare, looking out over the neighbours. Yeah, it's only this one. You got a big space here for your washing. Could do your washing here. Looking out over there, got some water, hose pipe, cup and cap. Thank you. No dog here.
No.
Okay. And I'll just show you around. Oh dear. So yeah, you've got a neighbour on the back side and on the side of you. It's whether how noisy they are. And like this building stuff's been left for ages. When I was here last time, it was all left like this. So all this is rice fields, guys. Back there. Be nice having one of these, right? But I would park my bike there instead of down that end. Oh, that was a dog. Right, so that was it. I'm just going to show you. Right, that's the way we came, rice fields way. And yeah, 1 minute up here, you're at the highway road, got the phone holder rattling. So yeah, this is the way you would go shopping. You've got your Big C up here. It's another old place here. I've never liked the look of that one too much. Back on the highway. 20 minutes outside of Chiang Mai city. There's Big C lit. So you'd come out here if you live there, and this road would take you right back into Chiang Mai. Just going to show you the old Big C. There's Big C lit. Always empty, this one. So basically it's right on your doorstep, isn't it? There, in just 2 minutes out on the road, we're back at Hang Dong town. So this is Hang Dong stretch town where all your shops, markets. We've done a vlog in Hang Dong a lot of times, and I live not too far from here now. So yeah, you like 2 minutes from Big C, 2 minutes from just being in Hang Dong with all your shops, and 20 minutes back into Chiang Mai city. Yeah, 5,000 a month. It was small, man. Another small place, but yeah, it wasn't the worst place in the world. Not for me. But the girl said she's going to send me a lot more like 1-bedroom places. So maybe we can go and have a look at some others. But yeah, that, you know, you got your bedroom. The bedroom was probably better than the living room. There's only one aircon. Yeah, 100 quid a month, 120 quid a month. It was, yeah, it looked smaller than what it did on the pictures. So yeah, we're gonna leave it as that. If anybody's interested, let me know down below. There's only one of them units left. It's definitely in a quiet place, and you're right near Hang Dong town and Big C, like I said. So yeah, it's good to have a look at it, man. I've been wanting to look at that little place for a long time. I don't think it's for me, like I said, but I'm sure it'll get snapped up pretty soon. I'm gonna go and get some grub, get out of this heat, get out of this haze. Hope you're all safe and sound as always, guys, and I will see you in the next one. So take it easy, man. Take it easy.